Today in the galley, we're at Rose Canyon Cantina and Grill. Standing next to me is Chef Joe. Hey Chef, thanks for inviting us over. And what do you have in store for us?
We'll be preparing calamari tacos.
Calamari tacos?
Yes.
Oh, cool. We use squid a lot for bait. I've never had it as a taco.
Yes, it's very good.
Cool. All right, how do we get started, Chef?
It's gonna be calamari, buttermilk with eggs.
You just pour that right in?
Yes, this is about like 3 tablespoons. And then this will be the flour and cornmeal.
Okay. This is like your batter.
Yes, and with the seasoning, garlic and salt and cumin. And we dredge it here.
And then from here, we just go straight to the deep fryer?
Deep fryer, yes. It will cook it like about 35 seconds.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to overcook calamari, it becomes so chewy.
Yeah, way too chewy.
So make sure they're all separate apart. Okay, now and then we'll start frying it. Start grilling the corn tortillas. There we go. When they're golden brown, they're ready. It's about 45 seconds. And we season with Mexican spice. You do the slaw. Jalapeno dressing. We'll do our calamari. And then we drizzle a little bit with the dressing. And then finish with the slaw on top.
This looks really good. You said we use a lot of squid for bait,
Yes.
but lots of times when we're done fishing, we have lots of live squid left over.
You can
And
use that
this
for,
would be
yes.
great. Yeah,
for-
because I've done it and made like the rings and stuff, but I've never tried making a taco.
It's good for tacos.
Well, I'm gonna find out.
Yes.
It looks really good. Is this too hot to bite in, or is it okay?
Be careful though.
Yeah, it's gonna be, because this just came right out of the fryer. That is delicious.
Yes. So
And it's not chewy like you would think of squid.
and they're a baby calamari. They're like a small calamari. They're not the big one.
No, but this is really good. This is a great dish. And a lot of people watch our program and go fishing locally.
Yes.
They end up the day sometimes with live squid. And this would be a nice option, something they can do at home.
Yes. And easy to make, easy to prepare at
Yeah,
home.
it's really simple.
Yes.
And your technique for putting the batter on, I've never seen that done before.
Yes.
I've seen everybody dip every one piece at a time.
Oh no, you don't
That
do
saves
that.
a lot of time the way you did that.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you, Chef Joe. That was great.
Okay.
And we're at Rose Canyon Cantina and Grill, and just a nice little dish, something simple you can do at home. Well, let's get back on the water and show you more exciting action right here on Sport Fishing.